Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And of course I had to stand out here in my garden at least one last time before everything starts to die, because today is the Rain Country subscriber garden photo collaboration. And excuse the chickens, they're being themselves. I get out here and start talking and they got to talk too. So if you're new to my channel and want to know what these are all about, this is actually the third in a series I've started on photo collaborations with my subscribers. So the photos you're going to be seeing in the upcoming slideshow here are all from my subscribers. None of them are my own garden photos, because you'll see enough of those in any of my other videos. And the first one we did was a craft collaboration. The second one was a fermenting collaboration. And if you haven't had a chance to be a part, the very next one is going to be a recipe photo collaboration. And those are going to be entirely based off the recipes I share here on my channel. Though you can tailor each recipe to suit you and make your own little tweaks to them, at least need to be inspired by my recipe videos. And that can be the videos on chocolate, the ones on dinners or desserts, whatever type of recipe I have out there that you'd like to be a part of. But not the fermenting ones, because those are separate. That's part of the fermenting collaboration. And know that I'll probably be repeating these again in 2023 so that we can get new photos and new people involved in these. So anyway, you can start sending your photos for the next collaboration, which will, by the time this publishes, I'll probably be close to a week to closing out, to raincountryhomestead@gmail.com, and make sure you title that recipe collaboration. So I'll know what folder to drop that in, because I don't always open them right away. I wait till I'm ready to start editing the video. Anyway, let's get to this slideshow from my followers. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this fun collaboration and getting all this stuff put together, and would like to see more people get involved in the future one. I still have more yet to come, so just keep following if you want to find ways that you can be a part of these. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.